Okay, so I just finished dual swing maximum control gate automation over here. You can see how it's gonna work in a second. I show it to you. Here is Phoenix with us today. I'm gonna go push the button for close, open actually. You're gonna see how quiet it is and smooth. And this gate is on timer. So after you're leaving the property, it will close behind you. You can set it up as many seconds as you like, between 0 to 1 minute. We're gonna close very soon. Bueno. Now it's gonna close. And I installed over here maglock, so people cannot pry the gates open. You're gonna see how it's magnetized. 1,200 pounds of magnetizing unit. That's it. This is maximum control, the best system on the market. Thank you for watching. Alpha Security Group, 951 500 1806. Thank you. Have a good day.